So there's some new little pen sets here that I'm noticing for the first time. They're in the Christmas last minute gift stuff. I'm going to go down to the paper bags because I know some of you were asking me to see those. Oh, these are great too if you want to manipulate them and transform them into like little lanterns and stuff. Oh, these are newer. Actually a gentleman who's putting up a ton of bags right now, so I'm gonna give him a minute and then I think I'm gonna walk back. So there are these giant bags that were just put out, and then there's these ones here that are more like a vintage style, like a faux wood, and they're really pretty. This one's got a Santa print. It was hard to film the bags because they were so well loaded that they kept falling, and I didn't want to make a mess of the display. So just this one here I grabbed. This one's really cute too. I can easily frame this one. It's foiled on the front and not on the back. And then there's this one here. Aren't these cute? These sold out really quick at a couple of my local Dollar Trees, so I'm actually surprised to find them here. Maybe they were just put out. It looks like there's quite the variety, so this may have just been put out. I can't believe the amount of Christmas things that these stores, all the stores I've been going to have. Christmas didn't sell the way it normally does, of course, and understandably so. Look at this print. I love it. I think it's my first time finding these little felt stickers in these prints. I think I saw the snowflake ones months ago. See, that's the thing though, like some things were out in July or in August so long ago, it's hard to even remember what I've seen. But I don't think I saw the gingerbread. These little snowmen I did see. They've been kind of hanging around for a while. I didn't notice this flannel back tablecloth either in this plaid print. I was actually looking for some Christmas storybooks. I'd have to actually take a moment to read through the pages and see if the story is worthwhile. Has anyone read this book? Is it cute? Oh, check out these paper straws. I love them. I wonder what craft I can make with them. Lots of little ornaments still. Oh, these are way too cute. They're teeny tiny. These are actually M&Ms. They're in an Granny Appleton bag, but they're M&Ms. Oh, I made the cutest Santa pillow last year using this chair cover. I'll link the description down below if you want to see that DIY. It turned out really cute. I even reused the pillow again this year. I like these too. They have little bells. Oh, these are new. These would be great for crafting too. 100 pieces. I wonder if they're like the dots pop dot tape kind of. I want to grab these. It's like a rose gold. So these actually work really well because I bought a couple to bring to Florida one year and we spun them on the beach one night and it was quite fun. I use these in my craft room all over the place, and particularly these little pull-out drawers are awesome. These are a newer stocked item right now, and they're the Snuggle brand. So you have like the linen, apple pie, and I think there's a cozy, yeah, this one here, like a pine type smell. Well, these are new. I haven't seen these at any other store yet. They come with 2 pairs and they're really sweet. There's a little fox. So cute, and the little llamas. Has anyone tried their tape dispenser, and does the little blade cut the tape well? I would like to have another one in the house. I have one that's really old, so I'm wondering if that one would do a good job. Oh, they have tons of post-it notes here too. A lot of the stores do, and I'm surprised these haven't sold out. I haven't seen these at any other store. So it looks like a coloring book, but it's almost like a drawing. Oh, they're all the same. Yeah, it looks like it's just like you've drawn in it, and I guess you're supposed to shade. Let's see if there's anything else here that's newer to me. take a quick look down this crafting aisle. It seems like they've put out some newer items. I'm actually looking for pony beads, but clear ones. So I really need to go through here, and I want to see if they have some wooden beads, just things for crafting with. These are cute. These are new and they're really cute. How cute could you, like, they'd be perfect for making little cards too, birthday cards. I spotted some glass beads, but they came in different assortment, right? They were like long beads. Oh, here's some. See, but these are not clear. I'm wondering. I'll just have to keep searching through here. See if there's any new tools that stand out to me. Sometimes they have some great crafting tools. I actually really like these little resealable bags, especially when I'm sending out Happy Mail and loose little trinkets. Those work out really nice. I'm going to take a peek at these stickers and see if there's anything newer or new that might not be in my collection. Okay, so before I said goodbye in that video, I just wanted to let you know that I'm splitting it up into two because I was in there for over an hour and filmed quite a bit. So I'm leaving you with a couple little clips from another Dollar Tree with some newer finds that were also there. So if you're needing any of this craft material, at least you can spot it or maybe get your hands on it. And then I'm going to post part 2 separately, and that's mostly like the makeup and some of the food aisle and another part of the craft section of that store. So I hope you guys enjoyed walking through with me, and until next time, I'm going to say bye for now.